from Chicago.
Yeah.
So many. Talking about Chicago. We're not talking about Chicago. So many immigrants living in Chicago. Senegalese, Nigerians, Canadians, Guatemalans, like the West, my text line. Some of them born in some restaurants. Chicago. Yeah, so many.
Saka Chicago na magundu.
Yeah. Chicago. Mwenye I say, kana kusipwa ngunju. Chicago. Yeah.
Koguni koma ningi. Ko street ya inonzi chizve wakaenda. Kune chiko.
What call it?
My restaurant.
Restaurant and what call it? Mahuri.
Huh?
That's when he was. I make money.
Oh.
Going to some other
Koma taxis no.
Yellow cake.
Yellow cake zaru. Ma aga wanda se.
Chicago so many. Mafia also. Those Africans. African American. They're the one who was lying you on a shoot. If I report from Africa for the first time to come to America, they can tell you that this hotel you can go and just book your hotel. So they can book you one. What can we say?
Oh, Machi? Mahure.
They know. Can just I can from can say that you can go there from this hotel. So sorry. Just take a yellow cap from a Nigerian guy. Just take you from there. Nigerian Hooray. And tell you let's take
Los Angeles. Dakunzwanya ku Los Angeles.
Los Angeles.
Yo ngamboti pawakaenda wakasangana na Michael Jackson kamu street.
Yeah, Michael Jackson. I just see him last step. There was what to make his one what move. Moonwalking. Yeah. Michael Jackson. Well, we just.
Doma days awakaenda pekutanga.
Yeah.
Uchikutamba robot.
Na Michael Jackson ndakuonana. Moonwalk. Ndo bakaita ino street. What call it?
Billie Jean. At my door. Severa mashure mjani. Severa mashure. Asha. chitamba uri gogo. Ayi gogo.
Taona na manya na Michael Jackson. Aita ndo kukazira shi that ameno scientist yega akudi ni mensi. Na ngoti lukumanya. Inene mtu manyiro. Ati maya ndo modiziyo. Iyo sa. Sawa ya baji Disney what?
Ana Tito Jackson wakasana na Janet wakaonga uripi?
Tito aimtauro zvakuti I'm an African. This family. Sikutomboda kutoonana naye because inini ndakabva kuAfrica. Tito.
Na Janet
Jackson. And what's this? Kwanza asiti muAfrican iwe uda kuchinja sei.
Azita murungu.
Wauda kuchinja murungu. Ana Tito zati aisikuva nekunoku amene kulaBeria somewhere. Mumwe akati ndobva nekugana, mumwe akati ndobva nekubi. No sisters. Latoya akati inini. Latoya akati ini muri kubva nekubi. Slave trade.
All right.
Baba wacho yana
Joe
kati mumwana muri kupenga kai. You're men in Africa.
Yeah.
Mwezote anzane shimsa.
Last born. Saka ndani mumwe futhi wakasangana naye except the Jackson family.
Nasangana na Morris Day.
Ani? Morris Day. Anenda nezvi? Musician. Ko but wakati wakasangana Arnold Schwarzenegger abva kufilma movie yake Commando kaya. Zvakafamba sei baba?
Hatina uzotaura zvakanyanyisa. Arnold Schwarzenegger was busy achitoti now kuenda kumarehearsals.
Ko na Sylvester Stallone.
Stallone takaona na kuAustralia.
Right.
Australia angari busy. He couldn't talk to you. Give me some sense.
All right.
Manager again, they want to sit and okay. These people, they say are busy.
All right.
So next time I'll have to talk to them sometime, right?
Ko best song yako yawanakirwa nayo madays yawo wakasangana na Michael Jackson and Shame on It.
No, and my best. No, Michael Jackson.
Yeah. Yeah, Michael Jackson. You know zi? Chimbo itamba toni. Chimbo itamba toni. Acha tamba kutara iko. Tamba robebera iko.
C'est pas blanc, gaga.
Voilà un essai.
Smooth criminal. Koye kuflota muno. Yeah. Asha.
Muno. Like a part of life.
Chimimba mpaka heti. Chimimba mpaka heti.
Acha.